Hello there and welcome back to the NOS VW channel. It's that time of the week again when we do an update on the current work we have in. As you can see, we have a 1975 bay. This is what we have it in for. This is a Californian axle. As you can see, it's a really nice condition. I've primed and painted it with black hammerite. I'm just waiting for the steering pin kit to come from Just Campers, and I should put that in because it's a lot easier to do it when it's out of the vehicle, and we'll show you the reason why we're replacing it. As you can see, look, there's rust holes, it's weak, it's got all swollen in the where the mounts are that you have for the bump stops. It's just done its time in the vehicle, to be honest. The vehicle's been waxed from the factory, which has saved it a little bit longer, but it needs replacement. It was advised on the last MOT. There's a couple of patches there already that someone's done. I don't like to weld them myself personally. It's just better to replace than patch up, because they're one of the major supporting parts of the vehicle. So the plan is to get it out and swap it over. There it is, the axle removed. As suspected, there's a few holes behind where it mounts the body. The dog's checking it. There's another hole there, look, and some really horrible patches. Someone's first day on the job there, welding, definitely. So it needed to be done. There's a few more small holes in the bottom as well that I noticed, so it needed to come out. As you can see, there's the original paint of the van, which still is, whoever's painted this has done it the correct colour. I would say it's Neptune blue, looking at it. Sometimes you remove the axle and this can be really rusty. You have to do some repairs before you refit the axle. But as you can see, the van has been what's called zeobarted waxed from the factory, which definitely saves it, especially in the UK climate, which is very hard on vehicles. So here's the axle out of the van, all stripped out, all the leaves, etc. Arms, everything off this axle has been put on the California one. Yeah, it's not a pretty sight. Here it is in the van. Looks a lot better. Yeah, there's the new steering pin kit I put on it. Obviously all the axles been greased up. Used everything, obviously, what was on there before. It all worked. There's maybe some more parts that need replacing in the future, but it's all working for now, that's the main thing. The next job this van will probably need will be a good clean off and re-wax, because it hasn't been done since the 70s, I would guess. So it's all like surface rusty everywhere. I need to do this, make a repair to this arch for the next MOT, because it's not going to pass I should say. And I think that is it. Oh, and I'm going to put a pedal pan as well. I'm going to get a pedal pan from my stash, get it powder coated and put that on as well to protect all the cables, that should be covered up, obviously, to protect from the weathers. Someone's obviously worked on it, took it off, left it off. It happens a lot, to be honest. Oh, and another job I've done, just bring it down a sec. I'm just about halfway through the next job. There's a couple of little pieces of trim I've got to tidy up on the inside. There's a bit of trim there. It keeps dropping down every time you open the window up. I'll probably put a new trim in. I'll show you what else I've done. I fitted a washer bottle kit. So made the washers electric, because the air ones, as a lot of people don't realise, the old ones used to blow the bottle up to pressurise it, then move the lolly stick, and it would put pressure through and come out. but they never work. They probably worked when they're new, but they always lose pressure or leak all over your leg. But there we go, another week under our belt. Next week, I've got some real oddball stuff in. I've got some real early stuff and some real late stuff. So keep an eye on the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for looking.